Hi, so I did 2 soaps yesterday. I'm gonna call it oatmeal surprise. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. I used Russell clay. I hope I pronounced that right. Oatmeal. I did lemon and turmeric. So I have no idea, but it look pretty so far. So I'm gonna cut it up and see what we get. Well, it's pretty, not bad. So we're gonna name this one Oatmeal Surprise. So we did the first one. Let's do the other one. My neighbors are playing music. You can hear it in the background. Let's see what we got here. Did pretty well. I love them. Let's see it smell. Well, I didn't put a lot of fragrance in it. The only fragrance that was in it was was the lemon, and I didn't put a lot in it. The Rosso clay, hope I pronounced that right. It's good for impurities, to clean your skin and all that. The oatmeal, you know, oatmeal is good for acne. The lemon, the turmeric also is good for blemishes. So you're getting like 4 in 1 right now. So you can go on my website. The link is gonna be below the video. You can order your oatmeal surprise. Just need to get the back off. This one. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, thank you for spending time with me, watching me cut my oatmeal surprise. Until next time.